Let me show you how I created £28,250 using other people's money within 6 months. Do you know of any business where you can get into with none of your money and create 28,250 within 6 months? Here's the thing. 6 years ago, my answer would have been an emphatic no, no, no. And it's not until I was introduced to property investment by a friend, and then I was 39, I was a secondary high school teacher, and working 9 to 5, and I was yet broke. I had planned holidays. Yes, we all accuse teachers of that, but I couldn't go on holiday with family because I just worked to pay rents. I just existed. And even when I went to work, some days I was just going because I was scared of being sacked. You know, I was always poor. And is this you? Is this your life? Is this what you're experiencing? Working for so long hours and earning less, paying rent and saving nothing, doing part-time jobs in order to augment your income and maybe have a bit of savings, and yet remaining broke. This was me a few years ago, and I took massive action to change my story. I took property courses with top trainers, and you know how hard it is to teach a teacher, right? And so I had the best teachers teach me, train me as an investor, because I was training to teach others. I trained from people like Dr. Rowe, Kevin Green, Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, Peng Joon, you can name them, where I learned to create wealth from nothing. So here are some free lessons which I learned from them. The first, to change your circumstances, you need to change your story. You need to raise your standards and try new things. Now, what story are you telling yourself? Your finances, your relationships, and so on. The story you tell yourself is indeed the story of your life. Number two, I learned that you can become or have anything you desire if you so desire it so much that you can sleep it, you can talk it, you can walk it, you can dream it, you can dance it, and believing it so much that it becomes real. Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door will be opened. And is this you? Then you shall get it. Number three, property investment is one of the few investments that you can make within a short time and create wealth from bricks, earn monthly income from it, and gain huge capital appreciations for the future. It's an everlasting business, you know, and people always will rent, people will sell, and so on. They will always have property, and people will always sell and buy. And so if you are in this business, you will do well. Now, these lessons are just a few of the lessons I have learned. Would you like to see how I now created that equity from nothing? Here's how it happened. You know, I used other people's money to buy property. There was this property which was sold for £60,000, and I negotiated a really massive discount. When I bought the property, of course, I had to put in some money into it to raise the value to about £115,000. Then I went to the bank with the new refurbished property, and they gave me 75% of that £115,000, which was £86,250. Listen, just pause for a moment and pay attention. So I spent $85,440 and got $86,250. Right? I was paid £810 for purchasing a property using none of my own money and creating that amount of capital, 25% from nothing. So this 25% capital worth $28,750 was created from nothing. This was new wealth. If I sell the house today, I will walk away with $28,750, but I will not. It's my pension plan. The tenants, they pay the rent for this property, and every year, for example, I get £4,200, and this is income which for 20 years, I will, for example, earn £84,000, and values of properties double every 10 years. So 230 would probably be the new value for this property. And if you can imagine that I bought this property for £49,000 and within 10 years I could be making that type of money, then it's something maybe for you to consider. Who would like extra income? Who would like to add £314,000 into their pension in 20 years? I definitely would. This is hypothetical, but it's also pretty much very close. Now, if you are like me and you see such examples of investments that people are making, myself and friends and colleagues, we're doing this day in, day out, then maybe it's something for you to consider. So if you would like to know a little bit more, click on the button below to reserve a seat. We are offering free spaces to our free training. It's happening every Wednesday at 8 p.m. British Summer Time. And if you click the link below, it will take you to our Facebook group where we shall be having the training, and it is free. And there you're going to learn how to buy these properties that can give you enormous equity. All those properties that help you earn more, work less, and somehow retire early. Looking forward to seeing you there Monday 8 p.m. in that Facebook group. Thank you.